Hey there, I'd like to share my review on a set of 2 ferns, and these of course are artificial. The branches and the stem do have metal in them, so you can kind of shape these a little bit. I haven't done a terribly good job of separating them yet, but otherwise this is what the 2 of them look like. And when comparing them to a real fern, so starting with the artificial one, I just wanted to point out that it does have some different shoots coming out of the bottom, and then it goes up into these tall ones here. And when comparing these to my real fern, so I actually have a real one here, I mean, it looks very realistic compared to this one. So it's kind of cool to see the 2 side by side, but I just wanted the option to decorate with these really cool ferns in our house, and just putting them in different corners to add color. So another reason I purchased them was to put them by our hot tub out in our garage to just, like I said, add a little extra decor. So these will be going down to our camping area this summer to add extra, greenery to the area. But I also love for the winter months how it looks right here next to my hot tub.